Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat Trading for Living Wednesday live session. We are about 1 hour into the trade now. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. It has opened within the range, and the first few candles have been on the downside, showing more of red than green today. It has opened at 43,450 and now trading at about 43,288 or 290 towards the day's low. This is the chart of Nifty. Also, after a good up move in the recent days, today it has not gapped up. Today it has opened within the range and made a opening high of 18,780, now trading at around 18,740. Nifty has been in a very narrow movement, while Bank Nifty looks like there is a downtrend emerging in Bank Nifty stocks. We will quickly go through the Bank Nifty stocks. Well, Axis Bank has been continuing yesterday's downtrend. You can see yesterday it topped at 906 and today it is quoting at 894, almost 10 to 12 rupees lower than yesterday. So whatever the fall from the top has started yesterday has been continuing today also. So there may not be much of buys trades in Bank Nifty stocks. Be careful if you are on the long side. If you are having any holdings in any of these banking stocks, if you want to know the exit levels, do ping us. We might give you exit levels which might help you to save some of your capital and limit your losses. This is the stock of Canara Bank. Canara Bank also has been slightly on the downward slope in the last couple of days, and it is now falling more aggressively. 323 in Canara Bank. We will look into the stocks like Bank of Baroda, continuing with the yesterday's down movement. Most of the stocks looks like, at least in the banking sector, looks like have topped out and are now trying to come back to the support levels or might break down the support levels and go further down. This is SBI, tries to open higher at around 610 but not able to sustain, now currently quoting at 607. There is very clear downward slope emerging in SBI in the opening itself. For the last 1 hour and 15 minutes or so, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles all going down. These are 15 minutes candles, so each candle will have a good size for you to trade intraday. This is the chart of IndusInd Bank. Again, looking little down only. ICICI Bank opens higher. Till yesterday evening it has been closing well. It has been trading well on the higher side. Today it gaps up and from there on it is having a downward phase. So maybe there will be some kind of early reversal emerging in ICICI Bank also. This is the stock of ICICI Pru. Unlike other banking stock, this ICICI GI, General Insurance, has bucked the trend and trying to go up, currently quoting towards its high of 1206. This is ICICI Pru, opens higher but not much movement. IDFC First Bank, quoting at around 58 rupees. These are small price stocks, difficult to get a handle on it, and if it is an F&O trade, then you need to remember the lot size will be big, so even a small movement on the upside or in your favor or against you can cost you big capital. This is the stock of Bandhan Bank. Opens higher, stays flat, still quoting towards the day's high. We will look into the HDFC group. This is the stock of HDFC, currently quoting at 2687, made a high of 2695 and intraday low of 2682. Yesterday's low is around 2664. So it is within the range and today extremely on the sideways. This is HDFC AMC, very erratic movement, untradable. This is the chart of HDFC Bank. For last couple of days, unlike other banking stocks, it has already entered into little bit of a downtrend in last couple of days, and today also it is trading towards the lows. So this is one stock again which might continue to go down. Maybe it might interest us to see the chart on the hourly candle. You can see here it had a good run up from 1593 levels, went up to 1648, and from there on it is now quoting at around 1615. So somewhere in between the highs and lows of about 50 points. 1593 to 1648 is the range, and it is somewhere middle of the range, and this stock might actually, we don't know, since it has already made a high and has started coming down, maybe it will try to retest 1593, and that is where your next entry on the long side or on the short side might emerge. If you want to know the exact level to trade any particular stock, you write to us so that we can help you with some levels which can help you in trading effectively. This is HDFC Life. This is HDFC Life on the intraday charts. Has been clearly down today, bucking the trend and slightly taking a breather, and now quoting at around 588. Let us see what's happening in pharma. The stock of Apollo Hospital going down, trajectory is on the downside. Oro Pharma sideways movement, Biocon downward movement, Cipla sideways, stays higher but it is in the sideways today. Divi's Lab, not much good movement in each of the candles. It is looking downwards but not effective movement in each of the candle. Dr. Reddy's Labs on the upside, might continue its upward trend if market behaves normally. Glenmark continuing the downtrend of yesterday, might create new levels below 429. This is Sun Pharma, has been going up today, also gaps up but comes down immediately and continues to go down today, now currently quoting at 1053 at the lowest point of the day. We are about 1.5 hours into the trade. Nifty and Bank Nifty both have been, at least Nifty has been in the very sideways movement and Bank Nifty has been clearly showing the downward trend. We'll look into some of the Tata stocks. Tata Chemicals, slightly erratic, wide range. Stay away from outranging stocks which are fluctuating wildly. Tata Chemicals has been fluctuating exceedingly in the last couple of days. You can see the candle sizes, big ones and trending candles. Tata Communication clearly on the downside. Tata Consumers clearly on the upside. Tata Motors, it has come down, tried to make a comeback but it has failed to cross previous highs, and again it has started coming down. Whether this time it has again tried to come back but it has again failed and it is now going down. So this Tata Motors is one stock which might go down. It might gather momentum on the downside. It has made a recent high of 444, currently trading at 437. Watch out for certain levels on the downside. Maybe if it cuts certain important levels on the downside, it will establish a downtrend. Tata Power also is in the downtrend. Tata Steel, not much movement, but it is around 107 now. This another Tata Group stock. TCS was in an uptrend but not able to sustain. You can see it has just touched day before yesterday's high, and from there on it has started coming down. Trend wise, this stock is still in the uptrend, but anytime it might break down and there might be a trend reversal in TCS also. Overall, if you see, Dabur, very good up move yesterday, fantastic breakout on the upside. Today also quoting towards yesterday's high levels. Watch out for this stock. Maybe before the market completely comes down, these FMCG stocks might give one final rally. Godrej CP also had a good up move yesterday. Hindustan Lever, you can see fantastic breakout from the highs of 2580 to 2656, around 50 to 60 rupees movement since yesterday. Very good stock to be in, very good stock to trade. Hindustan Lever always comes with good volumes, good price action. So these are the kind of stocks which you should also trade in intraday. We will look into the short term charts. Hindustan Lever clearly in the uptrend since this candle on 29th November. That is yesterday itself. You can see on the short term patterns, if you see, the chart is kind of sideways, but looks like yesterday's breakout is significant one. Watch out for the previous high of 267, which is a significant high. Maybe if it crosses, then you have a chance of one more up move up to 2730. Hindustan Lever, good stock to trade even on intraday basis. This is the chart of ITC. ITC intraday pattern has been flat and narrow. Jubilant Industries in the downtrend, again today looking little sideways to downwards. Marico Industries, Tata Consumers, Titan, Voltas very clearly in the downtrend, continuing in the downtrend in a very brisk phase. Bata India and Asian Paints. Asian Paints had a rally day before yesterday. Dabur and Hindustan Lever had a rally yesterday, and today none of the stocks are actually looking upwards, but we need to watch out for FMCG space. So these are some of the intraday charts that we have just reviewed. In case you have any inputs that is required, you put us in the chat box so that we can help you. If you want to know more about our projects, about what we do in Banao Bharat, subscribe to our channel. The whole objective of Banao Bharat is to bring in Arthik Nirbharta. As part of that, we are conducting this trading for living classes where you can learn how to trade systematically, and in a phased way you can become an independent trader. Having said that, we will again meet tomorrow. Tomorrow is the settlement day, the first expiry of December settlement. So we will see how the first expiry of the December goes. We are towards the end of the calendar year 2022 approaching. 2023 is approaching. So let us see how the settlement goes tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.